Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to always access the effects that you always use by making a quick list inside the effects tab inside of Premiere Pro. So here I already have a quick list that I have made, and here are the effects that I often and always use and always want to type and search for it every time in Premiere Pro. Now the conventional way will be for me to come over here every time and search for the effect I'm looking for, but that can be very stressful and time consuming. So the quick way is for me to actually create a quick list like this, and here are the effects that I always use while editing. I use the crop effect, the auto reframe, I use the cross zoom, I use the Gaussian blur, the lumetri color, and a few other effects over here. So to do this, all you need to do is to come over to this new custom bin over here and select new custom bin, and you will see that a new custom bin has been created over here. Next thing you need to do is to select it, and you can give it a name. So I'm just going to give this quick list, or you can give it any name you prefer. I'll give this quick list 2 because I already have a quick list above here, and deselect it, and a quick list has been created. Now the next thing you just need to do is to come over to this search icon here and search for any effect you use often. For example, I'm going to search for the lumetri color, and I'm going to it's as simple as selecting it and dragging it onto this new quick list over here. And you will notice that you still have your lumetri color under your color correction. So if I deselect this now and open my quick list 2, you will see that I have my lumetri color inside of it. So you can use this technique to drag in all the effects you will normally use frequently. And another thing you can do is to create a new quick list for motion graphics effects, for video transition, for audio effects. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video tomorrow.